Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change the main search site in the Safari browser. You may have Google search installed, but you want to change to a different source. How to do that? It's very simple. For example, when you search for something, you see Google here, but you can change it. To do this, you go into our iPhone settings. Now go down a little bit lower and find the item Safari. Open this item, and then you click on Search, and we open the item Search Engine. And here we can choose the search engine that we want. There is a whole list. You choose any search engine and then you go into the browser and type in a query. And now we can see that the search has already changed. So that's a great and easy way to do it. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.